welcome to a Minecraft video. My name is Atomic Ice Cream Leg, and in this video I'll be riding Pat the pig, glitching through a wall, introducing his new best friend Patella the pig, and I'll be doing some doggy tilts. Tilt, 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 tilt. And I will also be going to get some milk from Splashy the cow. Hello, Splashy the cow. And I'm gonna have to get a friend for Splashy, but that's not what I'm gonna be doing in this video. And what I am going to be doing in this video is an absolutely mega railway that's going to go from the new room that I recently built in my tower all the way down to the doghouse. So hopefully that's going to end up pretty awesome. But anyway, enough talking. I'm going to fill my bucket and now go to the top. And to save water buckets, not water buckets, not water buckets, I can't speak today. To save minecart railways, I am going to be using water. And do you actually take fall damage if you're in a minecart and you fall into water? I'm not sure. Right, somehow I'm going to have to test this. If I get down here, I should be able to reach. Right, I'm going to need something to build across. I'm just going to use white wool for the moment. So I'm just going to simply build across in white wool. And now can I reach? No, I still can't reach. I'm going to have to go one block out more. That doesn't make any sense. I mean, one more block out. Now carry on building this way. And then it's going to go the tiniest bit this way. And I should be able to land on there. If I, mine a tiny bit out. And will this work? I believe that will not work, so I'm just going to have to quickly mine this. Go one block down here. And I think I'll be able to get that to work. And now the railway is going to go like this. Oh, right, that's not going to work. I'm going to have to find a way around this. So if I go a bit out here, that should hopefully work. So if I destroyed that on there, and then, ooh, no. If I destroy this one, here we go, now it's all working. And I'm just going to go to my bed quickly, and my bedroom is very, very close from here. It is literally right upstairs, and I think this tower is pretty cool. It's one of the best things I've made. I'm going to have a quick snack. And now I'm going to get straight back to building. Because hopefully I can get this done in this video. Because it isn't yeah, too hard to build. Because I've certainly built harder things in my world. I mean, like that water slide was virtually impossible to build. And I am starting to run out of rails. But I'm pretty much done now, which is pretty good. And is there a zombie near here? That's weird. I thought I heard a zombie, but it's probably just me. And I'll do the tiny bit that needs finishing in the next video. Well, no, probably out of video. But thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I will see you all later. Bye!